हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 exercise 3.1 NCERT standard 8. The question is examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angle reduced from that. Now we are given a table. Some polygons are given in the table. First one is triangle with 3 sides, then quadrilateral 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides. And we know that sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. And now quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, so its sum is 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is 2 times 180 degree. Then pentagon is divided into three triangles, so its sum is 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree, so it is 3 into 180 degree. Next is the hexagon. Hexagon is divided into four triangles. So the sum of all the angles is 4 times 180 degree. So what do we deduce from here? So this first one we can write 180 as 1 into 180 degree. So what is the relation between the total sum of all the angles and number of sides? We can write this as number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. So this 3 minus 2 will become 1. 1 into 180 degree. Now for quadrilateral it is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. For pentagon it is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. Next hexagon 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So in general sum of all the angles of a polygon is given by number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. If we take number of sides as n, so it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is our deduction. So from the table we deduce that sum of all the angles in a convex polygon is given by number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. For example, if in a polygon n number of sides, then sum is given by n minus 2 into 180 degree. If for A part, for n is equal to 7, sum of all the angles is equal to 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 5 into 180, that is 900 degree. B part, for n is equal to 8, sum of all the angles is equal to 8 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 6 into 180 degree. So it is 1080 degree. Now C part, for n is equal to 10, sum of all the angles is equal to 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 8 into 180 degree. So it is 1440 degree. Then D, for n sides, sum is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now, question number 5 of exercise 3.1 NCERT standard 8. The question is, what is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides, 6 sides. So first we have to define what is a regular polygon. A polygon in which the measures of all the angles are equal, that is equiangular, and the lengths of all the sides are also equal, that is equilateral, is known as a regular polygon. Now the first part, we have to name a regular polygon with 3 sides. Any polygon with 3 sides is known as triangle, but a triangle with all the sides and all the angles equal is known as equilateral triangle. Second one, a regular polygon with 4 sides. Regular polygon with 4 sides is square. It has all the 4 sides equal and all the 4 angles are of 90 degree. Then 6-sided regular polygon, it is known as regular hexagon.